Welcome back to What Is, the channel dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of the universe, one fundamental question at a time. Today, we're diving into something that literally is everything around you and inside you, a subject so vast, so profound, yet often misunderstood, that it forms the very bedrock of our existence. Today, we're asking, what is chemistry? In its simplest, most elegant definition, chemistry is the scientific study of matter. It's about what stuff is made of, how it behaves, and how it changes. Think of it as the ultimate detective story, where matter is the suspect, and chemists are the brilliant, often slightly eccentric, investigators trying to figure out its secrets. Imagine you're looking at a slice of toast. Seems simple, right? Just bread, browned. But a chemist sees an epic saga unfolding. The Maillard reaction, a complex dance between amino acids and reducing sugars, catalyzed by heat, creating hundreds of new flavor compounds. That's chemistry turning bland bread into a delicious, crispy treat. Or your morning coffee, it's not just beans and water. It's an intricate extraction of acids, oils, and aromatic compounds, each contributing to that perfect brew. These aren't just everyday occurrences. They are everyday chemical reactions. At its core, chemistry asks fundamental questions. What is this made of? Why is it like this? And what happens if I combine it with that? It's the science of atoms and molecules, those tiny, invisible building blocks that make up everything from a star to a single strand of hair. If physics is about how the universe works on the grandest scales, and biology is about life, then chemistry is the magnificent bridge connecting them, explaining the stuff they're both made of. Let's break it down a little further. Matter exists in different states: solids, liquids, and gases. We're all familiar with water as ice, liquid, and steam. Chemistry explains why water molecules behave differently in each state, how their arrangement and energy dictate whether they're rigidly packed or freely floating. It explains why some things are hard, like diamonds, and others are squishy, like marshmallows. Hint, it's all about the bonds between those atoms. Speaking of atoms, they are the fundamental units of matter. Each type of atom is an element, like hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, gold. There are over 100 of them, neatly arranged in the periodic table, a chemist's favorite poster, a literal cheat sheet to the universe. And when these atoms link up, they form molecules. A molecule of water, H2O, is 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom. A molecule of sugar, glucose, is a much more complex arrangement of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These bonds are like tiny, invisible handshakes, holding everything together. Sometimes they're strong, sometimes they're weak, but they're always there, dictating how matter interacts. And that's where the real magic happens. Chemical reactions. These aren't about destroying matter, they're about rearranging it. It's like taking a pile of Lego bricks and building something entirely new. When you burn wood, you're not destroying the wood. You're rearranging its carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms with oxygen from the air to form carbon dioxide, water vapor, and ash. Energy is released, which we experience as heat and light. No matter is lost, just reorganized. This fundamental principle, the conservation of mass, is one of chemistry's guiding stars. Chemistry is all around us, even in the most mundane, and sometimes humorous, ways. Ever wonder why onions make you cry? Blame the sulfur compounds that get released when you chop them, reacting with the water in your eyes to form a mild sulfuric acid. Your body, in its wisdom, produces tears to wash it away. Or why baking soda makes cakes rise. It reacts with an acid like buttermilk or vinegar to produce carbon dioxide gas bubbles, puffing up your batter. It's not magic, It's just really clever chemistry at work in your kitchen. Think about your own body. You are a walking, talking, incredibly complex chemical factory. Digestion is a series of chemical reactions breaking down food into usable nutrients. Breathing is a chemical exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Your thoughts, your emotions, your very existence are powered by electrochemical signals and a symphony of molecular interactions. Every blink, every heartbeat, every thought. Yep, that's chemistry. And the impact of chemistry extends far beyond our kitchens and our bodies. From the medicines that heal us, like antibiotics and vaccines, to the advanced materials that build our cities and power our technology, plastics, semiconductors, batteries, chemistry is the silent architect. It's behind the fertilizers that feed billions and the renewable energy solutions that promise a cleaner future. It's the reason we have vibrant paints, powerful glues, and even the screens you're watching this on. Sometimes, people hear the word chemical and immediately think bad or unnatural. But here's the thing, everything is a chemical. Water is a chemical, oxygen is a chemical. The food you eat, the air you breathe, the ground you walk on, it's all composed of chemicals. Chemistry isn't about making good or bad things. It's about understanding how matter works, allowing us to harness its properties for countless applications, both beneficial and, unfortunately, sometimes harmful, depending on how it's used. The responsibility lies with us, the users, to apply this knowledge wisely. So, what is chemistry? It's the epic tale of atoms and molecules, their bonds and their transformations. It's the hidden language of the universe, explaining why things are the way they are and how they can be changed. It's the reason coffee wakes you up, toast tastes good, and why your very existence is a miracle of molecular engineering. It's not just a subject studied in labs, it's the fundamental science of everything. And once you start seeing the world through a chemist's eyes, you realize that the mundane is often the most magnificent. Thank you for joining us on this chemical journey. If you enjoyed unlocking the secrets of matter with us, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to What Is for more deep dives, and let us know in the comments what other fundamental questions you want us to explore next. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and stay curious.